So everybody knows the current wheel setup. Running some niche, pretty sure that's how you say it. On the wheels for 2 years. Still don't know if I'm saying it right. M117 Pantanos, or M173 Pantanos. But we're going to the big show. Can't have regular stuff. So I followed my own advice, put together a proposal, and with the help of my buddy Chris, we reached out to Velgen wheels. We got wheels on top of wheels in here right now. And we're about to go get some tires put on and get them mounted. Let's see what it looks like, because these are way outside what I would usually get. I'm pretty stoked. Let's check it out. Alright, for those of you that have ever been here, this is Summit Racing. One-stop shop for absolutely everything. Everything. I don't think you're catching what I'm saying. Everything. Oh, caliper paint. Caliper paint. Let's see what we got over here. Holy shit. That is a lot. Whoa. Okay. Jesus Christ. That is just gorgeous. You're in a real parts store when they have dragsters hanging from. Anyway, back to what I was saying. You can literally come here and buy whatever you want. Wheels, tires, supercharger, some batteries. How about some clothes? You need motorcycle parts? They got that too. Manuals, everything. So this is how it works here. You pick your parts, right? You get the item number, you go to the cashier, you pay for it. They give you a code, and then you wait over here, customer service, like a DMV line, right? That screen right there. And you wait, and then eventually, out of this door, comes beautiful car parts. So let's see what I got coming out. Some of y'all need this for your car. It'll make you sound like you have a real car. So what did I drive to Summit to pick up all my tires? So everyone knows, the tires I'm going with are the Nitto NT555 G2s. Okay, we're doing a 275 40/20 in the front and a 295 40/20 in the rear. But I drove it to Summit. So where are the tires? All of you who make an excuse saying you can't transport, you are full of it, my friend. Here's a 295. There's a 295 in my badass Cypher seats. And there's my both of my 275s right there in the rear. And what am I gonna do right now? I'm gonna drive back home. Now in the morning when I need to get these mounted, that's a whole nother story because I can't fit all this in here at once. But fresh rubber. These are gonna be nice too. Excited. Woo. And that's how close the new tire setup is. Woo! I like it though. So I went with my buddy Chris's recommendation as far as wheel sizes. So we went to a 295 40/20 in the rear, and we went to a 275 40/20 in the front. And let me tell you, that front fitment is stupid close. Like I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to shave one of the inside fenders just for turning radius. The rears, the 295. Got about a finger length left from the shock, but it looks amazing. It looks so good. Yeah, so if you ever need to know, I can speak on the V6, I don't know about the 8s, but if you ever need to know the max size you can run on a street tire, that's it. Now keep in mind, on my drag setup, I run Mickey ET Street R's at a 305 without a problem, but I also have to change out end links for that, so.
life of me.